Oh, fuck off, you mean? Oh, fuck no.
Then you were there and just like step on the ice when we walked to the wet bit into the drive.
I have stepped on this car before.
Shit, university! Sorry the fuckers! Oh, well, that's the first thing I came to my mind. Who did I turn to? Welcome back to the living.
Oh, fuck. Well, you might notice that I'm fucking just tied in
This?
loose in.
I know.
Yeah,
Got to come the wrong room.
Fucking nice to get rid of this. I'm just fucking recording screen capturing this. I've got to do a website with all of my videos and shit.
Alright.
So I'm fucking like that far away from finishing it. So really a few minutes. That smells like coffee.
Beautiful thing.
Shit, easy. Is it fucking pizza? What's this pizza? Something was doing. No, I'm surprised I have almost come to guts of.
Oh, it's name on that one.
I fucking honestly though, I have considered it and I don't know which one's which. Like there's some that are ultra fucking slippery and there are others also good that don't seem to do the same.
This is walking under the dry bit. When I was on the wet bit, no problem. And I pat was, at least I remember that much. Well, anyway.
Yeah.
Next.
Right.
Wait. What are we about?
We need to fucking get fucking
Oh, go tomorrow.
Yeah. So you're in charge.
That's all about me.
Now it's fucking your responsibility.
Yeah. I'll pay them. That's all I need to know.
So fucking we just need some work to done. Sort out that mainly. Yeah. And what I think we can look at the Revit model or the Motorsports model, whatever. So I've gravitated towards the Revit floor, but there's a question I've got regarding the area. So if we can, it might not be one site, it might not be one location, but it's be on a couple of simpler locations that easily which I think is why I gravitated towards the floor because it's part of it sticks out. So you put it back so that's it, figure out sort of one mark for that and then get on the appropriate models. his picture. He's fucking mad. Yeah, well, it gives all this stuff. So then, so if we can get a bunch of still pictures of yeah, I guess we have to figure it out. I don't know if we can get it.